What does the future hold for the human race? How will science and technology shape our lives in the coming decades? These are the questions that have intrigued us, that have propelled us forward, and that continue to fuel our collective curiosity. The future, as we all know, is a realm of endless possibilities, a canvas awaiting the brushstrokes of human creativity and innovation. In the past few decades, we've witnessed an unprecedented acceleration in technological advancements. From the advent of the internet, to the development of artificial intelligence, from the discovery of the Higgs boson, to the exploration of Mars, our strides have been nothing short of monumental. But this, my friends, is just the beginning. The future of humans, science and technology is a tapestry of potentialities waiting to be woven. It's a time-lapse that's being etched into the annals of history, even as we speak. Our journey, thus far, has been marked by the exponential growth of technology, a growth that's not merely linear, but explosive. And this growth is not just transforming our world, it's reshaping us, our societies, and our very essence. Imagine, the year is 2030. A fresh decade stands before us, gleaming with the promise of unprecedented advancements in science and technology. This is the dawn of a new era, an era where human ingenuity and innovation will push the boundaries of possibility. In the realm of artificial intelligence, we're not just talking about smarter devices or more efficient software. We're envisioning sentient machines, capable of learning, adapting, and contributing to our society in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine AI systems that can create art, solve complex societal issues, or even become companions in our daily lives. The implications are profound, potentially reshaping our relationships with technology and each other. Next, let's venture into the world of quantum computing. While traditional computers operate in binary using ones and zeros, quantum computers harness the power of quantum mechanics to process information on an entirely different scale. This could lead to breakthroughs in cryptography, climate modeling, medicine, and more. In the 2030s, quantum supremacy could be more than a theoretical concept. It could be our reality. Genetic engineering, too, is on the brink of monumental breakthroughs. With tools like CRISPR and gene therapy, we're not just treating diseases, we're preventing them, even eliminating them. The possibilities are staggering. We could see the end of inherited diseases, longer lifespans, and perhaps even the birth of genetically enhanced humans. And let's not forget space travel. The 2030s could see us become a multi-planetary species. With companies like SpaceX leading the charge, we might establish permanent settlements on Mars, mine asteroids for resources, and perhaps even discover extraterrestrial life. These aren't just fanciful dreams or science fiction tropes. These are the potential realities of the 2030s, brought to life by the tireless work of scientists, engineers, and visionaries around the world. Each breakthrough, each discovery, each technological leap brings us closer to a future that was once only imagined. The 2030s promise to be a time of profound change and innovation. We stand on the precipice of a new era, ready to leap into the unknown, and that leap, it promises to be an exhilarating ride. Fast forward to the 2040s, a time when technology truly begins to take over. This is the decade where our wildest imaginations start to manifest into reality, where science fiction starts morphing into science fact. Imagine waking up, not to the chirping of birds, but to the hum of drones delivering your morning paper. Imagine your coffee brewed to perfection by an AI who knows your taste better than you do. This is the world of the 2040s, where automation is not a luxury, but a way of life. In this world, we're not just living with technology, we're merging with it. The 2040s is predicted to be the era where the line blurs between man and machine. Scientists are theorizing the possibility of uploading human consciousness into machines, a concept that's as fascinating as it is terrifying. The idea of immortality, once the domain of gods, is now within our reach. But with it comes a plethora of ethical implications. Is it right to override nature and cheat death? What happens to our humanity when we become more machine than man? The 2040s also promises to be a time of incredible advancements in nanotechnology. Tiny robots, no larger than a grain of sand, could be coursing through our veins, fixing health issues before they even manifest. But again, there are ethical dilemmas to contend with. The decade may also witness humanity's first steps on Mars. The red planet, a symbol of our cosmic aspirations, might soon become our second home. But the question remains, do we have the right to colonize another planet? The 2040s will see us pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. It's a time of great promise and potential peril, a time when technology truly takes over. But as we step into this brave new world, we must remember to tread lightly, for with every step forward, we must ensure we don't leave our humanity behind. Now let's journey to the 2050s, a time when we begin to redefine what it means to be human. In the heart of the 21st century, the human experience is set to undergo a transformation like never before. As the world we know evolves, so too does our perception of what it means to be human. Picture this: advancements in longevity and anti-aging technologies slowly but surely turning the tide against the relentless march of time. The elusive fountain of youth, once a mere figment of our collective imaginations, is now being pieced together, molecule by molecule, in the cutting-edge laboratories of our future. The 2050s could mark the era when we finally unlock the secrets of human longevity. Aging, a process we've come to accept as a fact of life, could become a thing of the past. Imagine living in a world where 90 is the new 50, where our twilight years are not synonymous with frailty but with vigor and vitality. And as we grapple with the concept of an extended lifespan on Earth, we will simultaneously be reaching out into the cosmos. Space exploration, a field that has fascinated mankind since the dawn of time, is set to take giant leaps forward. We might witness the first human stepping foot on Mars or even further afield. We might establish lunar colonies or mine asteroids for precious resources. But perhaps the most staggering potential development of the 2050s is the prospect of first contact with extraterrestrial life. As our technology advances, so too does our capacity to explore and understand the universe around us. The discovery of life beyond Earth, even if microbial, would fundamentally shift our perspective of our place in the universe. In the 2050s, we might just redefine what it means to be human. We're on the brink of an era where the lines between science fiction and reality blur. We stand at the precipice of a world where our lives are not dictated by the passage of time, where the cosmos is our backyard, and where the term human encompasses not just our species but our incredible capacity for innovation and discovery. In the 2050s, we might just redefine what it means to be human. Now let's venture beyond 2050 into the unknown. The future, as they say, is a book yet to be written, and we are the authors. We stand on the precipice of a new age, poised to make leaps in science and technology that our ancestors could only dream of. Imagine a time when we've mastered the art of interstellar travel. Picture humanity not just as inhabitants of Earth but as citizens of the cosmos. Our reach could extend far beyond our own solar system to distant galaxies teeming with life and possibilities. Yet with such advancements come inherent uncertainties and potential risks. The same technologies that could allow us to colonize other planets might also lead to unforeseen consequences. We must tread carefully, understanding that our actions today will echo throughout the cosmos tomorrow. Perhaps we'll develop artificial intelligence so sophisticated it surpasses human intellect. While this could lead to unprecedented growth and prosperity, it could also pose existential threats. We need to navigate these waters with caution, ensuring that we don't lose control of the very technologies we create. Or consider the future of genetic engineering. The ability to edit our own DNA could eradicate diseases, extend our lifespans, and even enhance our physical and cognitive abilities. But again, we must be cautious. We must consider the ethical implications of such advancements and ensure that they are used responsibly. As we journey into the unknown, we must remember that the future is not predetermined. We have the power to shape it, to mold it to our will. But with this power comes responsibility. We must consider the potential impacts of our actions, not just on our own species but on the entire cosmos. The future is a landscape of endless possibilities, a canvas upon which we can paint our dreams. But it is also a reminder of our duty to act responsibly, to innovate with care and consideration. Beyond 2050, the possibilities are endless and the future is truly in our hands. We've journeyed from 2030 to beyond 2050, taking a glimpse into the future of humans, science, and technology. It's been a thrilling ride, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to recap the significant strides we've made in our hypothetical timeline. In the dawn of our new era, we saw the inception of a technologically advanced society, one where artificial intelligence and automation became the norm. It's a world where machines and humans coexist, working together in harmony, redefining the very essence of life as we know it. Then we delved into the realm where technology truly takes over, a time when our lives are so intertwined with machines that it's hard to tell where one ends and the other begins. We explored the potential of artificial intelligence, quantum computing and genetic engineering and how they can potentially reshape our world. We also ventured into the unknown, predicting the unforeseen challenges and opportunities that come with such rapid evolution. It's a world of infinite possibilities, but also one fraught with ethical dilemmas and potential threats to our very existence. But what does all of this mean for humanity? That's the million-dollar question. These advancements, as exciting as they may be, will undoubtedly bring about a host of challenges. There will be ethical dilemmas to navigate, societal changes to manage, and potential threats to our very existence as we push the boundaries of what's possible. Yet it's also a future teeming with opportunities. Imagine a world free from disease, where we have the power to customize our genetic makeup, or a society where artificial intelligence solves our most complex problems. It's a future that could redefine what it means to be human. The future awaits us with a mix of exhilarating advancements and formidable challenges. It is up to us to shape it wisely,